the basketball community. Galit daw ang basketball community kay Snow. Gusto daw niyang panakaut itong si Snow Badwa. Snow Badwa saying, you know, papatulang kita, wala akong inaayawan. The moment we all been waiting for. Kung anong nararamdaman ng mga kapang sports journalist kay Snow Badwa. But here it is. Marami siyang nakalaban online. Marami siyang nakaalidan. Naku, mag-ingat na kayo. Pwede palang mangyayari end sa loob ng ring. Sir,
marunong mag-boxing yan.
Round number 1 na.
It's called Bad Blood. Fenakito versus Snow Badwa.
Ang laki ng diferensya sa height.
Malakas si Snow Badwa. Matangkad naman si Fenakito.
Mas bata po si Carlos Fenakito.
And the fans are really into this fight.
Yes. Yun. Body shot. And galit na galit si Carlos. Ginali talaga ni Snow to eh. Marami siya mga nilabas na kung ano-anong mga bagay kay Carlos. And Carlos, oh no, yan nagalit.
Oo, at sabi
Badla talaga.
Oo, sabi ni Fenakito, halika, labang ka. Oh, tamaan mo ako.
Showboating.
Mahaba masyado to si Fenakito.
Yes.
And Snow Badwa trying to work his way inside the strike zone. Ito.
And the crowd really into this kind of thing. Body shot. Uy!
May combination. May combination doon. Yung mouthpiece.
It's Snow Badwa in trouble.
Sandali. Papasok doon yung mouthpiece.
Iba ang galit ni Carlos Fenakito.
Oo.
Mas bata. Pero Snow Badwa, mas matapang to. Alam natin walang inaayawan to. May nakalinya na nga siyang next fights eh.
Boom! Nice shot!
Tumama! Nasolo!
Big right hand
Good right
by
hand!
Snow Badwa.
Mukhang nasaktan. Natamaan ng overhand.
At ito, umaatake ngayon si Snow Badwa.
It's Snow. Oh, right hand again.
It's snowing inside the ring.
Oh! Kita mo yung mata. My goodness.
And another right hand coming from Snow Badwa.
Oh.
More punches.
Oh.
And there he goes.
Woo! Look at this.
Kanina maganda yung combination.
And
niluwa ni Snow Badwa yung mouthpiece. Umatake si Fenakito. Pero nakabawi si Snow. You watch the right hand. The right hand's coming. There it is. The right hand.
Right hand. Solid yun.
Overhand right galing kay Snow Badwa over a much taller opponent.
I don't know what our production is doing. The soundtrack. This one of this. Telmang. My goodness. Eto na si Snow. The bomb. Tumatay ka. Oh.
Snow Badwa nabuhayan dito.
Siya yung umaatake dito. Wala ang pakialam kahit malaki tong kalaban niya. Ayan na, wrestling niya. Boom. Kapit si Snow.
Parang nawala na yung kumpiyansa ni Fenakito. The confidence that he showed early in this fight. Naku, tumutukod na.
This guy trains with boxers, no? Snow Badwa, oh nako, nagreklamo na.
Tinatamaan daw siya sa likod ng ulo.
Time out dapat. Sayang yung entertainment. Ref, time out mo ba?
Naku, sandali. Hindi pa pwede yan. Hindi pa pwede. You cannot voluntarily stop the fight on your own.
Hindi pwede.
Hindi ka naman pwede magreklamo.
It's Snow Badwa attacking here. And he's pummeling the bigger guy.
It's a snowstorm. Mahaba pang oras.
Hindi na sumusuntak si Carlos dito. Mukhang mas maganda ang sa amin na ni Snow.
Oo, mas maganda ang kondisyon ni Snow Badwa.
Oh!
Wala na.
May bumaksak.
Fenakito is out of breath.
Yes!
He's gasping for air.
Oh! And he's being taunted. Tatayo pa ba? Oh my God! Oh! Snow Badwa celebrating.
Snow Badwa looks like he might have scored a knockout. Sandali.
Sinuntok pa! Oh!
Pati di binibilangan.
Sinabi niya yan. Gagawin niya talaga eh.
Bilangan nyo. Pati di binibilang Gizaldi Lopez.
It's Snow Badwa! A bad man! It's Snow! Bam! Bombs away for Snow! Boom! Yan na siya naman! Oh! Siya naman! Hangin eh.
Naubusan ang hangin, but you know, if he went down on his own, even without a punch,
That's
you
a
gotta
knockdown
score a
din. May tama
knockdown.
eh. May tama eh. Knockdown dapat yun.
Oo.
May tama eh, oh.
Okay, tinatamaan ni Snow Badwa. But he went down on his own.
Pagod yan. Tsaka...
Yun, eto,
Ayan, oh.
tutukod na.
Boom.
Yun. Oh, walang suntok yun. But you have to call a knockdown. Bumagsak siya.
My goodness, guys. Sir Kenito Henson.
Are also enjoying themselves inside the ring. I'm not sure if they are.
Pero kita mo yung animosity sa mga mata nila. Galit pa rin. May pasama lang pagod
Oo.
ngayon. Ayan na, nakabuka na yung mga bibig nila. No! Oy! 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 Oras niya! Oy! Ref! Ref! Pucha! Ref!
Slip yun, slip
Needs to
yun.
control.
Slip yun.
Needs to control this. Oh my
Pagod na
gosh.
pagod na rin si Snow. Dapat na-score ng knockdown si Snow Badwa. Dapat yung knockdown for Feniquito. Pero wala naman bilang. Kanya,
Tablaan na lang.
Tablaan na tama.
Boom!
That's the overhand right ni Snow Badwa na dapat bantayan ni Feniquito.
Yun ang power punch niya eh.
Yung right, overhand right. Kasi malaki si Feniquito sa kanya. There it is
Pagod
again.
na. Hirap na
First
hirap na yung
time
dalawa.
nakita ko, may kombinasyon ito si Feniquito. Ngayon wala na.
Pagod na sir, pagod na.
Oo.
Oh, nice!
Oh, that's a big one.
Oh, nice!
That's a big right hand scored by Snow Badwa. Oh, big right hand scored by Feniquito naman.
Pinipito, nagayayaan ng boxing. Let's go!
Bukang bibig na si Feniquito.
And the crowd chanting, oh, right hand again! Dinilaan pa! Ano na? Ano na? Pagod na guys. Haribas. Oh, solid!
Big
Solid!
punch. Big punch
Big
by
body shot.
Feniquito.
Oh, nice
punch
one.
si Snow Badwa.
It's Snow Badwa receiving some bad shots. 10 seconds. Pagod na.
Hindi na yata susuntok yung dalawa.
Wala na, hindi na kaya guys.
Wala.
Tapos na,
Okay.
nagtitigan na lang. Para sa fans, eto na ang pagod na si Carlos Feniquito, Snow Badwa. Yung mga knockdown po nila, hindi galing sa suntok, galing sa pagod.
Eto, bumagsak na nga si Snow. Umatake pa si Feniquito. Parang mixed martial arts yun eh.
Pareho nagkatiyan no?
That was probably the biggest punch of the fight.
My goodness.
That drew a lot of
They're
sweat
right.
from the head of Feniquito.
Natama.
Dinilaan pa ni Snow Badwa. Unbelievable.
Oh my goodness,
We've
guys.
seen it all.
Parang kailangan ng rematch to ah. Gusto nila ng knockout eh. Knockout daw eh. Knockout daw ang gusto nila eh. Parang
And they shake hands.
Yes,
Wala
yes.
nang animosity.
I hope so. I
They
hope
shake
so.
hands.
Red corner, Snow Badwa.
Snow Badwa nanalo.
This one.
Whoa! Snow Badwa nanalo.
27. Winner all points is the Snowstorm Badwa.
And he put his money where his mouth
Alright.
is. Humanda na
So I'm
lahat
here now.
ng nagahamon kay Snow Badwa.
We're
Panalo sa
just
kanyang first
let him
boxing
celebrate for a
fight.
bit.